start with NT. You guys are a bunch of jerks. You know that? NT one box. Here we go. Here's who everybody has. In case you forgot who your teams are. Cardinals, Sean. Robbie GL Falcons. Robbie GL Ravens. Bills, Ron Burgundy. Panthers, stand-up. Finalists, Bears. Bengals, Phi Siggers. Browns, Brew. Cowboys, Aaron Evan. Broncos, Bedro. J-Dub with the Lions and Packers. Oh, my. Texans, Brew. Colts, High C. Jaguars, LJ Maya. Chiefs, Phi Siggers. Stand-up. Vikings, Robbie GL High C. Patriots, High C. Giants, Phi Siggers. Jets, Mortone. Saints, Robbie GL. Raiders, Big Al. Brew with the Eagles. Steelers, Mortone. Rams, Big Al. 822 with the Chargers. 49ers, Robbie GL. Seahawks, Bedro. Big Al, Bucks. Titans, Bedro. NC Teacher with the Redskins. Yeah, I hit record. Come on now. Whew. That's better. Good luck, ladies, gentlemen, and other. Ooh, this is a super skinny one. First up, numbered 1 of 11. 1 of 11, Deshaun Jackson. 1 of 11, Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. Going to NC Teacher. Numbered to 99, Julius Thomas, 39 of 99. 39 and 99, Julius Thomas for the Jaguars. Going to Lon. 73 and 99, Devontae Freeman. Focus. There we go. 73 and 99, Devontae Freeman for the Falcons. Going to Robbie GL. For the Cowboys, DeMarcus Lawrence, number 27 and 99. 27.99 for the Cowboys. Man, these are thin little cards. Going to Aaron Evan. James Laurinaitis for the Rams, numbered 7 to 25. 2-color patch. Going to Mr. Big Al. Al, you're rich. It's like a $4,000 card right there. Ndamukong Suh, Cameron Wake, dual patch for the Dolphins. That's numbered 16 to 25. 16 to 25. That's the early part. Here's where we start getting other cards. Eric Ebron, 2014 NT for the Lions, numbered 11 to 99. Jersey auto, Eric Ebron. Other card. I saw the Ebron before I was about to say good hits. Randy White auto for the Cowboys, numbered 3 of 25. 3 of 25, Randy White. Cowboys. Aaron Evan. Numbered to 25, Manti Te'o, catfished. It should say catfished on there. 1925 Manti Te'o auto for the Chargers, going to 822. And last but not least, actually it's a nice RPA Melvin Gordon. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. Patch auto RPA numbered 30 of 99 for 822. At least we finished strong. Not the best case of NT overall.